see anything out there? You can hear one here and one over there. My name's Ben Kolstad. I'm the field trip chairman and the newsletter editor for the Audubon Society of the Everglades. We're here today for the Christmas bird count for Palm Beach County. It's just an effort to take a census, a snapshot of one day in a 15-mile radius. We want to count all of the birds, all of the species, all of the individuals. We do it every year. We've been doing it since 1951, I think, was the first year we have data for. And what we want to do is track the evolution of the birds over the years. It's part of a large effort coordinated by the National Audubon Society.
Hi, my name is Marcella Munson, and I am the president of the Audubon Society of the Everglades, which is Palm Beach's chapter of the Audubon Society. I like to do this because I enjoy the challenge of looking for birds. First of all, it's fun looking for them, and they're beautiful creatures. They're stunning to look at, but more importantly, participating in bird counts like this gives you a chance to know more about the population of these birds and what's happening to these birds over time, whether their populations are increasing or diminishing. Here we have a pair of great blue herons mating. We're getting a chance to see their courtship and nesting ritual, and a lot of people come here to Wakodahatchee every year to be able to see this behavior up close. This is common December behavior.
I've always liked learning, and it's a constant study. You always see a new behavior, you always see new birds, you're always hoping to see new birds. Birds basically are an indicator of ecosystem health, and birds are an indicator species. If we're doing the right thing for the environment, we can have the birds. If we're poisoning the environment, we can't.